Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm back with another recipe of how to make fire wings with cheese sauce. So let's get started. So first of all, we need 1 kg chicken wings. Then take a bowl, add half teaspoon salt, add 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, half teaspoon baking soda, add 3 tablespoon plain flour. Now mix everything. Add 1 egg and mix it. Then add some water gradually and make a nice batter. Once it's done, set aside. Take another bowl and add around 1 cup plain flour. Add 2 teaspoons black pepper powder. Now mixing it nicely. Then take a chicken wing and dip it in the batter first. And immediately coat it with the mixture of plain flour. And then prepare rest of your chicken wings with the same process. And here our chicken wings are ready to fry now. Take a pan, add oil and heat it, and once it's heaten, add your chicken wings. And we are going to fry the chicken wings on low to medium flame. And it takes around 10 to 12 minutes for the chicken wings to be fully cooked. So take it out in a plate once they're golden brown. Now moving to the next step, take a pan, add oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Cook until golden brown. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chili flakes. After mixing well, add 2.5 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Then add 3 tablespoon chili garlic sauce. Adding 3 tablespoon barbecue sauce. Mix well. Add half cup water or as required. Once the water starts boiling, cook it until the sauce is thick enough and add some salt according to your taste for the flavor, and just cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. And once your sauce is ready, add chicken wings. Turn off the flame and mix well. Our hot wings are ready. Let's make the sauce now. Take a pan, add 1.5 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to melt it. Add 1 tablespoon plain flour and dissolve it nicely in the butter. Then add 1 teaspoon paprika powder, a little bit of salt according to your taste, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, now I'm adding 1 cup milk, we'll cook the sauce until it's thick on medium flame, just like this. Turn off the flame now and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cheddar cheese and mix well. There you go, our cheese sauce is ready as well. Look how yummy it looks. Just before serving, I'm sprinkling some sesame seeds on top of it. And it's all set to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you really like my video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye.